part of air is used to set up the experiment like that. You color your water. Why do we color the water? You set your candle, you put your colored water, you have your glass, you cover the candle and make observation. Now, if we had time, if we had good time, we could have done more than this. You take the volume of this container. You're supposed to go from science is mathematics. You take the volume of this container. How much air can this one, or how much water can this one hold in percentage?
100.
How much water in percentage can this one hold?
100%.
How much air can this one hold?
100%.
Now, being 100%, you take that. Now, this one is empty. As you cover it, it was empty as far as water is concerned. Then, the water rises to a certain level here. You take the height of this one. From here to here, you measure using a ruler. Alafu, maji yenye itaingia, upime yameingia kiasi gani. You do your mathematics. And you're supposed to know how much water has risen in this container. That is the time we get that, so that we can know the amount of oxygen, because air was inside. Amount of oxygen that was used, the water that rose here represents the amount of oxygen that was used in money. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is occupying the space of the part of air which was used in money. That is why it is rising. Why is the water rising, by the way? To occupy the space of a part of air which has been used in money. Then you do the mathematics there, and you get the answer. That is why I have said part of air, so that after calculating, we go to class 6 again. We have learned about the parts of air, is it? And their percentage. Then we look, hiyo yenye tumepata hapo ni percentage gani ya air? You get it is 21%. So 21% represent oxygen. Give you not assuming. That is why my part of air. I have not said any part. So tunatakiwa kufanya hesabu na nyinyi. I hope you can do it with your teacher. Then you get, sio kuambiwa. Now you have the details that this is really oxygen because it is 21%. Hesabu. But that one will take a lot of time in doing this calculation. I wish you can do it, and you get this amount of water that enters here occupies 20% of this glass, meaning that part of air is what we learned in class 6, is oxygen. So after that is the time you come here now confidently and rub this one, and you put oxygen. Now we go to the next. I'm setting up the experiment. They are almost, they look as if they are the same, don't confuse. Here there is no candle. So you put your water like that. Then you take your glass. This one needs good eyes. Good eyes are needed here. But we are going to try to go around this one so that we can see, we can make everyone to be satisfied. So, here we are. I take my glass. You see there is no candle?
Yes.
So don't get used to, you must be very careful. So I'll take it. I put it now.
There's no water.
I want you to listen. Look from the top. If you can't stand, it is an empty space, isn't it? Now, for those who doubt, the doubting Thomases, we do something else extra.
Can use it.
Somebody with some pieces of paper. Now, it is the same experiment. It is the same. Then you put this one inside. So what is the use of the paper? To prove or to see what side you remove. Then you give to your people.
Is it not wet?
The paper is still dry. You have proof. Have you done it? Have you proved? So that paper should remain dry. That one will prove to you that surely, if you did not see properly, then really there was no water that entered there. Then you can prove that air occupied, air occupied, air occupied space. So what does that tell you? In so many ways, you don't understand this, but in so many ways, you should understand this, that no two matter can occupy one space. So when you enter this class, sometimes it may look like a miracle, but this class, if this class is totally sealed, ifungwe vizuri, where there can never, air cannot escape outside, you cannot enter this class. Are you asking me then why? You see, the examiner needs you to think beyond the experiment. Wakati nakuambia hapa huwezi. There are no two matter which can occupy the same space. Ati wewe ukae hapo huko na hapo penye huko, that is space that you are occupying, ioccupiwe na matter ingine. And air is matter, is it? Yes. And you have seen it is occupying space. So I want you to see this picture. Wherever you enter this door, you must displace the same as your volume of your body air from this class. Wakati unaingia hii darasa, ujue kuna mtu umetoa, mtu sio mtu. Kitu, kuna kitu umetoa kwa hiyo darasa ndio uingie. Everything. You have pushed something out. Kama hakungekuwa hapa hiyo hewa mahali ya kutokea, hii darasa ndio nasema huwezi. That is the truth of the matter. You cannot enter this class unless you displace another matter so that you get inside. So think beyond the experiment, because the examiner will take a toll on you if you don't think beyond the experiment. Utashindwa, unaulizwa. Utashindwa sana.